budgets of the Commission on Human Rights and the Human Rights Violations Victims Memorial Commission be deemed submitted for the body's consideration. So move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, the proposed budget of the aforementioned agencies is deemed submitted and approved.
Yan ang sunod-sunod na pahayag na natanggap ni Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada sa unang apat na ahensya ng gobyerno na kanyang inisponsoran. Kung saan wala pang isang minuto ay pare-parehong naaprubahan na ang 2025 proposed budget ng Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, Commission on Human Rights at Film Development Council of the Philippines. Samantala, bago tuluyang makalusot si Estrada at ang huli niyang hawak na pondo ng Governance Commission for Government-Owned or Controlled Corporations ay duman ito sa interpelasyon o pagtatanong mula kay Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel. Sa nasabing interpelasyon, sinagot ni Estrada ang kasalukuyang update sa Maharlika Investment Fund.
The status of the Maharlika Investment Corporation.
The latest update on the Maharlika Investment Corporation. The interim staffing pattern composed of 44 positions, including the PCEO, was approved by the Office of the President last November 7 of this year. And as directed, this GCG and the MIC, or the Maharlika Investment Corporation, will be crafting guidelines for the hiring of highly technical positions.
Samantala, nang mapag-usapan naman ang tungkol sa PhilHealth, ay binahagi ni Estrada ang scorecard nito mula sa GCG.
How do you rate PhilHealth's performance given the 10 years daw nila hindi in-increase ang mga benefit packages? So dapat alam ng GCG yun. I'm sure na mo-monitor ninyo.
2017, ito bagsak to.
Oh.
47.82. 2018, pasang-awa, 78.17%. 2019, 62.25%. 2020, 13.75%. 2021, 28.07%. And 2022, 71.87%. And 2023, it's undergoing evaluation in 2023, Mr. President.
Pero matapos ang ilang minutong pagtatanong ni Pimentel, ay nagmosyon na rin si Senador JV Ejercito na aprobahan na ito. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Ann Cortaz ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music News Authority.